What up, suckers? Right now I'm gonna do is a simple die that only requires 3 tools, which are right here. And that is a clutch jumper. I think that's what it's called. Where you can turn your vehicle without engaging the clutch. Son of a bitch. A lot of overseas cars, Japanese cars, etc., European cars, I think, also don't require you to engage your clutch to turn the vehicle. Well, the other day I was working on my car. Son of a bitch. Anyways, I was working on my car and it had me going in and out, turning it on and off. You're full of oil, you get your shit all dirty, and I actually broke my OtterBox case. It'd be so nice if you could just turn it on and off from here. Well, there's a solution to that. So I did a quick Google search. Anything 8th gen forms always comes in the clutch, and the link's right here. Or this is the die. I believe it's a female. She actually just came up with the solution for my problem, and it just consists of a paper clip. I'm just gonna cut the smaller piece, should be this one right here, in a U shape, and basically trick the ECU that the safety mechanism is engaged. And let me grab my light. This connector is, well, obviously behind your clutch pedal. There's your clutch pedal. It's right there. It's that yellow connector. Let me get this off real quick. Oh, got it. Right here. You're gonna loop it right in through here and complete the circuit. And some people are worried about their cruise control not working, which for me it's not a problem because yeah, no cruise control. But she said that it's perfectly fine. She has had no issues with it. I really don't worry. I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna just run the paper clip through there and it should turn on. So simple. Just put it right there. I think that should be fine. I think it's a little too big. Oh, let's drop it. Like that. I do not have that much light, but here's the paper clip. And bend it a little bit. Alright, let's see if you can see that. And she said put some black electrical tape just to secure it. So I'm gonna grab some real quick. It's actually pretty shoved in already, but I guess we'll do the black tape. Alright, now for the moment of truth. Here we go. Make sure you're neutral. And bam! Sick. Woo! Hell yeah. And that's it. So my next task, it's got some new headlights for Christmas. Yes, there are aftermarket headlights. Yes, they might leak. I don't know, I just bought some for my Tahoe. No leaks, nothing at all. But I am gonna be cracking these open. I'm gonna do a retrofit. I'm still doing my research on what shrouds, what, if I'm gonna go with the S2000 projector. Not sure, I know it's gonna cost me some money, but right now I'm in need of some new headlights. These are my OEM headlight, well, that was an OEM headlight. This car was crashed by some moron, and ever since they bought me a aftermarket headlight. The insides are all broken, kind of shit. So one of my bulbs is pointing all the way down, this one's pointing up, and I've already modified them. I've done everything I can, and it doesn't work. And it was a good deal. I forgot how much. Oh, they're a Christmas gift. I don't know how much. They're like $150. I don't remember, but not too bad. These things are identical. Identical to my stock headlights. I didn't want to get no other projectors that are already made. They just look really cheesy to me. What I do like, I've opened these up before. And I removed that orange reflector that was already in there. Which these already come like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and install these now because I need headlights. And I was gonna go with some LEDs. This has HID kit. I forgot if it's, what's that? Oh man, it's been so long, but it has an HID kit. And I was gonna switch over to ultra lighting GTR something LED bulbs, which I told my wife she was gonna get them for me for Christmas, but I was still on the fence. I wanted to jump to LEDs, which my Tahoe actually has LEDs and they're bright, but HID, I already have HIDs and I wanted to spend so much money on it. And I'm gonna just run with the HIDs for right now, and if I don't like the HIDs, then I'll just get the LEDs, but I am gonna retrofit it, so it might change the whole thing. I know you're not supposed to run HIDs with halogen headlights because it freaking goes all crazy, but it is what it is right now, and some new headlights.